Hot Coffee, and this is Coffee University. This video is about decaffeinated coffee. I am not a fan of decaffeinated coffee for a few reasons, but actually that's all that I used to drink because I didn't think that my system could handle caffeinated coffee. It's because the caffeinated coffee I was drinking was not what I recommend now, 100% Arabica, just roasted coffee. So what is decaffeinated coffee? Decaffeinated coffee is Arabica or Robusta that has gone through a process of decaffeination. And this decaffeination process, the purest form is a Swiss water process decaffeinated. So what they do is they take, first of all, not the best coffee, but it's usually the rejects coffee from the highest grade coffee. And they take this coffee and they soak it in hot water. And what it does is it removes the caffeine, but it also removes the flavor. And they're able to somehow separate the caffeine from the flavor, and then they reintroduce the flavor by resoaking the same coffee in the flavor part of it that was extracted. So as a roaster, when you get decaffeinated coffee, the beans are already brown. They've already been processed. They've already been cooked a little bit. And what happens is when you then roast it, it takes about half the amount of time of roasting non-decaffeinated coffee. My experience with decaffeinated coffee is it all tastes the same. There is very difficult to determine different varieties of decaffeinated coffee. And I think if you do some further research on what kind of coffee you're drinking that you might find you might be able to drink caffeinated coffee, and I think you should give it a try. This decaffeinated coffee I don't think is done very well, processed, and is very, will give you the same effects as caffeinated coffee. And there are different ways to drink caffeinated coffee, so you're not drinking it in a very potent form. You could drink a lighter kind of form, and we'll cover that in some other videos. Okay, that's my opinion about decaffeinated coffee. Give it non-decaffeinated coffee a try, but make sure it's 100% Arabica. I'm Pot Coffee. You get 1 credit for this. This is Coffee University.